So combine some of these pieces, and you can start to understand how a personality can be profiled to a T, and you can understand how you perceive the world. You can also understand how people perceive you, which is so important because how many people do we have to work with, not only in our family, but at work, online, whatever, and there's constant friction. And it's usually based on what we've learned, this different perception, right? I truly believe this is what I see, and they truly believe this is what they see, because the neurochemicals are driving a very different perception. So understanding all this, which is very easy to understand now, the science is there to show you, here's your profile, here's what you fit, and here's how you potentially may have a problem in this context, and you may thrive in this context. And all of a sudden you unlock that superpower, and you start to be the best version of yourself.